Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Hughesnet connection, or you can select services. Okay, so all official steps you can see on your screen, so let's get started. So the first thing I want to tell you, yes, you can cancel your service at any time, but you need to contact with the customer support team. Like, this is the number you can see on your screen. So this is the number, and this is the official phone number, and you need to dial this number, and this number is available 24/7. Okay, and once you get connected, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your, you can select plan or services. Okay, and they will guide you, they will tell you each and everything, and they can cancel your plan over the call. Okay, but make sure ask for proof of cancellation, and you need to ask proof of cancellation in written, or you can get your proof of cancellation on your mail. And without proof of cancellation, you should be very careful. Okay, and this is the information, and by using this method, this is the only official method by which you can cancel your services of Hughesnet. Okay, so if you are facing any issue still, and then you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video, my dear friends, and bye bye. But make sure, if you are going to cancel your plan without notice, then you need to pay some kind of charges. So that's why you need to provide some notice period, and then they will cancel your, you can say services very easily without, you can say, fees. Okay, so this is the information, and if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.